In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first, just unroll settings, go to system, and pick date and time. And here you can switch off automatic date and time, and then select date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on, it's up to you what the date and time it currently is. Then you can also turn off automatic time zone and pick it from the list. So at first just pick the region and then time zone if available. So this is it. This is how you can manage date and time in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.